Here's two brand new M18 FUEL Hedge Trimmers from Milwaukee. Now, these hedge trimmers are really nice, featuring double-sided, double-sharpened blades with 32mm of gap between those teeth, delivering a nice clean cut. And those blades are driven by a powerful brushless motor, means it's got quite a chunky cutting capacity as well. And those blades move at 3,200 strokes per minute, so they remove a lot of material very quickly. And if you're driving it with an 8Ah forged battery, you can expect up to 60 minutes of continuous runtime. The controls are really simple, but firstly, that handle rotates to 5 fixed positions. It means you can suit the tool to the application you're doing without straining yourself. And it's got dual triggers. The inside of that front handle is entirely a trigger. That coincides with the rotating of the base of the tool. You can grab that inside trigger on any angle. And both triggers have to be engaged to operate the tool, but unlike some other dual trigger tools, it doesn't matter what order you operate them in, just that both hands are on the controls and none of your digits are near the cutting end. If you do happen to jam the tool, it's got an auto unjamming feature. You just restart the tool, re-pull the trigger, and the blades will reverse and unjam themselves. And there are two variations on this trimmer available now. There's the 24-inch and the 30-inch, which is 762mm long on that comb. They're both available at your local Sydney Tools store in the Milwaukee aisle, where you can check them out for the full specs and to order online at sydneytools.com.au. And if you've got any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.